Okay, welcome back to our program here on Inside Bicol, and my guest for tonight is Director Gloria Balboa of the Department of Health. Doktora, pag-usapan natin, ano bang specific programs that you are undertaking here in Bicol, no? I understand na marami kayo, no?
Yes.
So, ano ano ba yun?
Yeah. Yes, napakaraming mga health programs, no? But for Bicol specifically, no, kasi based on last year, ay ito yung mga nakita naming programs that we have to focus on here in Bicol. So, nauna yung reproductive health. Now, ikaklaro ko lang, no, that when we speak of reproductive health, this is not simply family planning.
Okay.
Because yung approach po natin dito is yung life cycle approach that is from womb to tomb. Ibig sabihin, we take care of especially mother, no, pag habang siya buntis, okay, and then pag manganak, and then yung baby niya while as an infant, tapos during childhood, adolescent period, tapos adulthood, tapos pati pagdating ng senior citizen na siya, o hanggang sa mamatay. So yung buong stages na yun, tinitignan natin because we want them to be healthy and productive in all these stages. And then yung when we speak also of reproductive health, kasi we are trying to strengthen yung provision of RH services sa hospitals. So what we did, ang regional office ay nag-put up ng RH or family planning clinic in all our 3 retained hospitals. So may talagang specific na obstetrician, doctor, and a nurse that will cater for mga needs, especially mga mothers. Okay. And then we are also improving yung service delivery network, no, like in one area hindi kasi kaya ma-provide ng isang facility all the services. And then we have to categorize services like may primary, secondary, tertiary. So parang in one network meron parang sort of a core referral hospital facility, and then yung sa periphery mga primary levels, especially kung sa mga panganganak, meron tayong mga birthing facilities ngayon na tinatawag. So kung kailangan complicated, meron silang alam kaagad na pagre-referan para, kompleto yung services. So that's one, yung sa reproductive health. And then sa infection, kasi this one would address yung MDG. Okay. And then yung infectious disease prevention, no? Yung mga common diseases ngayon, like measles, no? Ngayon. And then yung dengue, okay? Dami pa yung mga vaccine preventable diseases, no? Kasi this can be addressed by yung simple immunization. So in-intensify po natin yung mga diseases na infectious at that could be prevented by vaccines like tuberculosis, polio, diphtheria, tetanus, measles, and then hepatitis also. Yun. So meron na tayong bakuna not just for children but even mga adolescents po and senior citizen.
Okay.
Ayun.
Good.
And then so that's for the infectious diseases. Meron din po kaming non-communicable diseases. Ngayon we're trying to prevent kasi tumataas na rin ang non-communicable diseases niya. And ito yung good news because we have what we call complete package na medicines na these are for the chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, mga heart diseases na medyo ito hindi pa alam ng karamihan. But these are available already sa rural health units. Yung bang mga gamot like metformin, mga diazides for hypertension, ito yung mga nakakabutas ng bulsa kasi dahil kailangan ng maintenance.
Are you telling me that this is free?
Yes po. Kailangan muna is yung first na ma-diagnose sila that they have that disease.
Okay.
So they really have to go to a doctor. And then, yung succeeding na mga gamot nila for maintenance, if nandoon sa aming available na meds, that will be given for free.
And this is coming from the department or from the
Yes,
LGU?
from the Department
From
of
the
Health.
department.
Binibigay po namin sa rural health units.
Sa rural health.
So, available po doon. In fact, medyo konti pa lang nakaka-avail. So, yun, medyo kailangan pa natin ng information
because,
dissemination.
Maybe a lot of them are not aware about
Yes,
it.
correct po.
So,
Opo.
let us be clear. This is the medicine coming from the Department of Health.
Yes.
So, it is the department who bought this, not the
Yes,
LGU.
Not the LGU.
Okay. Now, ang tanong ko naman is that, does this thing pass through the LGU? It is given directly to your rural health.
Given directly to the rural health unit po, but the mayors, of course, they are informed that meron pong mga
Pero yung
ganap po.
pagbigay noon, diretso sa department, sa rural health unit.
Opo, opo.
It doesn't have to go to, when somebody will need, he doesn't need to get any approval from the mayor.
Hindi po. Kasi
Okay, very good.
gamot naman ito, and it's really the doctors
Oo.
who would know kung anong kailangan yung gamot.
Anong mga gamot to?
Like metformin for
Oo.
diabetes.
Sa
Oo, yung,
diabetes.
tapos
Okay.
yung for hypertension, yung
Hypertension.
mga thiazides, yun eh.
Hmm.
And then, actually, madami pang iba.
Pero,
even
doktora, di ba,
antibiotics.
maintenance yan. Sometimes
Yes.
it calls for a long period.
Correct
Di ba,
po.
sinasabi nga, lifetime yan. Di ba?
Yes po.
So, that's going to be a good savings para sa mga...
Opo, yun nga
mga
po.
ano, no?
Kaya,
I see.
yun nga, medyo
Hindi ko pala alam.
hinayang kami kasi marami pang di nakakaalam. And, so we are trying to improve itong info campaign po natin.
Okay.
So this,
Oh, that's
guesting
good.
dito
Oo,
would be,
maganda yan. Are
would
there
help a
any
lot.
are there any requirements that they need to comply? Mayroon ba silang mga people?
well, pag nagpakonsulta kasi sila, syempre magkakaroon sila ng mga
Records.
record
Okay.
doon. And then, malalaman naman doon talaga kung anong sakit nila. Initially, itong program na to, yung assistance na to was intended dun sa mga yung
Needy
sa
siguro.
for peace,
Oh,
diba,
yung
ng
for peace.
DSWD.
Okay. Oh.
Pero ngayon,
Expanded na.
expanded
I
na
see.
po.
Okay.
And
Oh.
usually medyo sa mga senior citizens
Oo.
ito eh. So,
Maganda yan.
ayan,
Oo.
malaking bagay po
Malaking
talaga
bagay,
ito.
yung
Oo.
mga siguro karamihan naman dyan is that branded ba? Hindi din mga branded.
May branded
May
din.
branded din.
Pero of course may generic,
May generic.
name 'yon. Kaya hindi these are very
These are
good medicines.
Well,
Yes.
kailan ito nag-umpisa?
Mga last year ang
Last year.
na full blast nila
Okay,
last year.
last
Although
year.
nung initially 2 years ago, yun nga as I've said, dun lang sa mga indigents.
So ngayon na-expand na.
Yes,
So
yes.
it means to say the government has put a budget on it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's a good
Okay.
development. Sige.
Okay.
Ano pa, Doktor, ang ibang program
Okay.
na
And then meron din po yung access to quality hospital services. That is why we are improving itong ating mga yung retained hospitals natin, the 3 hospitals that I mentioned. Kung napansin nyo, ang daming mga improvement
Oh, yes.
na ginagawa natin. Kasi gusto natin na maging at par naman sila doon sa even the private hospitals. At yung content, yung laging iniisip kasi mga tao di ba? Mas maganda pag dito.
Yes,
private.
sabi nila. Kung gusto mong
Hindi
gumaling,
po,
sa private hospital ka.
Opo, gusto po
Okay.
natin baguhin
Baguhin
yon
yan.
kasi sa totoo lang yung even yung mga doctors natin mga espesyalista mga consultants usually they also are the same consultants
Yes,
sa
sa
private
private,
hospitals.
tama.
Okay, so yun ini-improve natin physically and then in terms of equipment ng ating mga hospitals para naman the poor can also access these quality services na sinasabi natin.
Okay. Let's be clear on that also. No? Yung mga hospitals that you've mentioned, these are being run by the Department of Health.
Yes,
no? Hindi
yes.
ito naibigay sa LGUs.
No.
And these are BMC,
DRTTH,
okay.
sa Bicol Sanitarium.
Okay. Now, I understand that yung sa BMC dito sa Naga, malaki ang project na ginagawa.
Yes,
A lot of
oo.
investments.
Yes.
I understand they are putting a building.
Yeah.
Oo.
Billion po yung talagang nakaplano na investment dyan sa Bicol Medical Center, improving yung emergency room nila, ER complex, and then may cancer center.
May cancer
It is
center.
identified as a cancer center ng the whole of Bicol. And then, lahat ng diagnostic procedures, ilalagay na doon. Meron ng mga top-of-the-line na equipment. So, kwan talaga na siya. It will be one of the top-of-the-line na hospitals.
It may even be more than modern than the private hospital siguro. No, one of those days.
Oo.
Pero alam mo, Doktor, ang palaging narinig dyan is that the issue about privatization.
Privatization, yeah. Usually.
Ano ba talagang ano dyan? Kasi maraming tao na when they say, oh, yung anyang BMC, ipa-privatize. Sometimes natatakot sila kasi ang notion nila, once nasa private, tataas yung, ano ba talaga ang real ano
Hindi
dyan?
naman po siya talaga privatization. Kundi it is a partnership between government and private na kasi like for example for some mga mamahaling equipment kung pwede naman kasing we may private partner sila yung bumili, ilagay doon, and then, siyempre, yung price, it will still be a government price, no? Kasi andun siya sa isang government facility. And then, yun namang mga poor, they will be secured kasi enrolled niyan sa PhilHealth. Di ba? Yung sa NHTS list, enrolled sila. So, kumbaga, while walang, saka may no balance billing, so walang nanggagaling sa bulsa nila, and yet, they get service na parang private. Ganon yun. So, magiging quality yung service niya doon. Okay, sabi ng mga iba, hindi naman lahat ng indigents nakasama doon sa NHTS. Yes, no? Pero meron na naman tayo ngayon what we call enrollment at point of care. So, halimbawa, pumunta yung patient sa ating retained hospital, and then walang talagang pera, hindi pa siya enrolled sa PhilHealth. Dadaan lang siya doon sa ating social worker sa hospital. Pag na-prove doon na talagang indigent siya at hindi pa enrolled, i-enroll ng hospital. And right there and then, ma-avail na niya ang PhilHealth. So yun, nag-umpisa lang last quarter of the year. So yun yung kwan nga. Kaya parang...
So mukhang hindi naman paalam na naman yun.
Yun, hindi pa rin kasi, well, bago pa lang. Kaya walang worry dapat yung mga poor. Kasi they are really poor, i-enroll natin sa PhilHealth. Kaya lang siguro ito ka na private. Kasi since PhilHealth na sila, kahit poor sila, parang considered paying sila because somebody's paying for them. Hindi sila. Ayan.
We will again pause for a while. When we return, we shall continue the discussion here. So don't go away.